We use around 250 gallons of paint per game. So it takes a lot of paint in orange, blue, and white paint to get the game field ready. And the trick with that is to make sure it's bright enough for TV and for the fans, but it fades enough so the grass keeps growing. I'm a product of the Auburn University Turf Management Program, so I take pride in the fact that Auburn helped me get the job I have now. When I was first hired, it was watching more of the game, just in awe of the athletes and their talent, but now I'm watching the grass. I'm watching an athlete make a cut. Even I was a little naive when I was hired that, you have 7 home games. How hard is it to get a field ready? Well, that's not it. Recruiting is a year-round process now. So you can't let the field look rough in the off-season. It needs to be game ready almost 365 days a year. It's hard to beat growing athletic fields for the school in which you graduated. There's a lot of, not only am I an Auburn fan, but an Auburn employee, so I take a lot of pride in it. We want the turf grass program to succeed and to thrive, and we just hope we're a small part of that. I'm Kleypas. I'm Director of Athletic Turf and Grounds, and this is my game face.